overvalued Zim dollar broadly undermines the scope for maximizing structural efficiency and the growth of both the export industry and import substitution. The policy of maintaining an overvalued Zim dollar imposes a big tax on the export industry, thus undermining its growth and transparency. The policy also unwittingly subsidizes imported industrial goods that then start competing unfairly for supermarket space with locally manufactured goods and accelerates deindustrialization. Efficient price discovery must be allowed and an efficient market established, as without doing this, the authorities will be chasing symptoms, which symptoms continue to mutate as long as the arbitrage windows remain open. Just a comment on the delayed release of the 2021 survey report. The delay was mainly a result of the need to address a number of improvement areas as raised by survey stakeholders. Now that we have gone past the major methodological review process, the calendar for the survey will now move to be released in February of each year, and it will cover the January to December period of the year being reviewed, of the previous year. As the theme of our report for 2021 states, sustained growth momentum, we are coming from a theme that was green shoots in a low output medium in 2020. The performance in 2021 managed to sustain